Hi guys, welcome back. Let's make this simple but delicious tuna pasta.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So in a pan, saute some onions, bell peppers, garlic, and add in your tuna. Give that a good old mix. Also, I've just lightly seasoned this with some fish seasoning and a little bit of garlic powder. Then I'm gonna add in my sweet corn. You can add any veggies that you want to add to this. I like to add the veggies that I like to eat, but if you don't like something, as I always say, you know what, just don't put it in there. Just add in a little butter now, and then I'm gonna cover the pot just to let this just steam through for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna add my cooked pasta. Now follow the instructions on the packet on how to cook your pasta. I'm just gonna go ahead now. I'm just adding some sliced red onions. I like red onions because I find them a lot sweeter, especially for salad. Some fresh parsley, and I'm gonna add in about half a cup of mayonnaise, and again give that a good mix. I will list all that I use in the description box, so don't worry. After you've given that a good old mix, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add about 3 sprigs of thyme, but I'm just gonna pull the leaves off the sprig and just mix it all in. Basically, you don't have to do it in the order that I do it, but this is how I do mine. And what I like to do once I'm serving this is add a little more veggies, because you know the more veggies we eat, the better it is for our body. So I'm just adding in some chopped tomatoes, some chopped cucumber, and some avocado. But as I said, you can put in anything you want and just give it a good old mix. Just top that off now with a little bit of cayenne pepper for the heat lovers, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Follow me on Instagram at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen, and remember, aim high, work hard, because the sky's the limit. Keep pushing, baby. Bye.